Tell me more. Really? What else? What do you like to do? Do you like the snow? Yeah, we've been inside a long time, Mommy. Oh, you don't like being inside? No? Oh. Well, what would you rather do? You'd like to go for a walk in the sun? That would be nice, wouldn't it? I know. Oh, that doesn't, you don't look happy. I don't think you're happy. No? What would make you happy? Okay. Are you hungry? You want some milk? Okay. Okay.